Hey James, how you doing? So basically, just giving you an overview of the changes. So now the customer clicks this, right? So they reach this page, right? So this I want to take out. So I want them to reach on this page, right? So I made some edits just to give you an idea what I'm looking at. So when they click on this, let's say they click on this shows up, right? So this is indicating this product. Let's say they want to see this one and they click this, then this is going to populate to what they click here, and when they click here, this will populate. So it's not that it's going to reload to a next page, so it's a hyperlink. When they click this page populates that product, and when they click here, it does the same. Okay, so just to go back. So we taking this out, right? So what I just explained there, I just want to show you how it is on the site. So this is what you have now. So what I just showed you a while ago, I want you to update it. So it shows this product, and then you would have the other products here at the bottom. So when they click there, so let me just show you quick. So this here, right? Okay, so now we go over to this page now. So this is a page, as I mentioned, I want them to see when they click that, I think it was book now, this will pop up, right? So let me go over the changes with you now. Okay, so this is the changes now. So this part here, I rather just show one price, the starting price then, so the customer don't get confused. And let me show you an example. Yeah, so this is an example of what I mean. You see how they have it here? This is budget.com. So something like this. Yeah? So just showing the starting price. And maybe you put starting and then the price. Okay, here now, this description is good. How you have it listed here. I said that the dots, I will like icons. This is an example of icons. And also add the Bluetooth. Yeah, so the information is good. Just add the icons and add Bluetooth. Okay, so with this section, what was when I tried to do it, I noticed that it's not telling me that I made a mistake or I have to fill out something. So can you do that in the event the person doesn't fill out what's required? It tells them, something pops up and tells them, or it shows the part that they didn't fill out with a hyperlink on it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. So with this one, can you add more? So more pricing info. Yeah. Okay, so now this is the next page. So I have a question. The update cart. What can you just explain me how does it work? And let's say if they want to update, let's say the quantity. Can they order? No, not the quantity. Sorry, the pickup date and time. What's the reason for the button? Is it that if they click the button they could edit this? Please let me know. We're trying to figure out we have a little issue with the payment processor, so I will soon I get it solved. But this is the company Figaro, so I'll send you the information so that they can be updated on the website. There's a few other issues. I noticed when I click this, it does that. I don't know for what reason. So when I click this, it goes back. So let me know if that has to be developed still, or what the issue is.